In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI in 2026. Grok AI is an AI assistant that can help you with writing, brainstorming, research, coding, answering questions, and other everyday tasks. First, open the official Grok website or access Grok through a supported platform, then sign in to your account. If you're new to Grok, you may need to create an account before you can start using the available features. Once you're inside Grok, you'll see a chat interface where you can enter your questions or instructions. To get started, type a simple prompt into the chat box. For example, you can ask Grok to explain a topic, write an article, summarize information, create ideas, or help you solve a problem. The quality of the response depends heavily on your prompt. Try to clearly explain what you want, provide useful context, and mention the format you need. You can also continue the conversation with follow-up questions. Instead of starting over, ask Grok to improve, rewrite, expand, or clarify its previous response. For writing tasks, you can ask Grok to create emails, scripts, blog posts, summaries, or other content. For coding, you can provide your programming problem or code and ask Grok to explain, debug, or improve it. For research, you can ask questions and use the available information features to explore a topic. Always verify important facts with reliable sources before using them. Depending on the current Grok features available to you, you may also be able to generate images or use other AI capabilities directly from the interface. Before finishing, review the generated results carefully. AI can sometimes make mistakes, so verify important information before relying on it. And that's how you can use Grok AI in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more AI tutorials and technology guides.